In this video, we're going to color some doodles. This exercise is actually very great for practicing patience and refocusing. So especially in these days, if you have difficulty with just focusing, grab some paint and start painting something. Watching colors is going to be very relaxing. Doodles are these non-representational or abstract drawings. I have decided to make a bunch of them and start coloring them. Okay, so I finished it. It took me about 2 days. I like it, how it turned out. And with the golden shades and the shimmers, it's pretty cool. Try to be patient with yourself while you're working on this. Take your time. Make sure that you take rest in between. And overall, I think these days you need to be more patient with everyone anyway. Let me know how it turns out for you if you try it. Other than that, thank you so very much for your attention.